Good morning, good afternoon, class. So I was noticing this is one of the assignments that I had assigned to you guys through Schoology on the Parabolas intro, and I was noticing that 5 students got this problem incorrect. So I thought that maybe this would be a good opportunity to go over it. So let me just get like a real nice blown up version of this problem, okay, to show you guys. So here we go. All right, I'm just gonna put this on a new screen so it's nice and big. So this is a problem where we have to graph a parabola, just kind of visualizing our shapes. I don't know about some of you, but I find that I do really well visually with stuff like this. So you would here, for this is not interactive, you would have to move these dots to make your parabola look the way you want it to look. So let's highlight the important information. So graph a parabola whose x-intercepts are -3 and -5. So that means that on your new parabola at -3, on your x-axis, this is the x-axis, -3 and 5, it passes through that point, and whose minimum value is y equal -4. So -4 would be somewhere along this line right here. Now, what we know about parabolas is that they are symmetric, okay? They're symmetric, so I'm going to put like a little dotted line here. Actually, I don't even like the way that looks. I'm going to make this line like a ghost. Like, let's make it a ghost. All right, I love my ghost line. So it's a ghost line. That's my ghost. Through somewhere in the halfway between -3 and -5. So if I had 2, I would like kind of count in, all right, and find the halfway point. What's halfway between -3 and +5? It's going to be right along here. So our minimum value should be along this ghost line right here. That's really hard to see. It's like a super ghost, right? You guys see that? Let me just change the color. See that? See the ghost line? So your parabola should, I can kind of see maybe why a lot of people got this wrong, because I think they were asking for like a significant amount of details here. So the lowest point would be somewhere along this line, and your parabola should go down and then back up, something like that. Okay? All right. So I can see a lot of people making a mistake and putting the minimum point right here at -4. That is not it. Okay? That should be oh shoot, I did that all wrong. Okay, back up. Okay, so the minimum value is -4, so it doesn't go below -4, right? So if it doesn't go below -4, that means that the low point is halfway, okay, the minimum or lowest point, okay, it's a couple things. It's halfway between -3 and 5. Okay, so that's that ghost line between -3 and 5, and it's at y equal -4. So it has to be this low point right here. So when I put that -5, that was way wrong. That was off. Okay. So we would just connect our dot up this way. So I can see like a lot of you probably conceptualize that, but it was hard to move the arrows to like the way they needed to be to make that happen. Okay, so let's just review this problem. Graph a parabola whose x-intercepts are -3 and -5, right? And the minimum value, meaning the y value, is -4.